Hello.
Hello.
How are you?
Good. How are you?
Great, great. Thank you. Tell me your name.
Yeah, it's usual.
Ujwel?
Yeah, yeah.
Ujwel. Great. It's nice to meet you.
Nice to meet you.
And Ujwel, where are you from?
Yeah, I'm from India and I'm from the northern part of India. So my state name is Uttar Pradesh.
Okay, I see.
Yeah.
Great. And how long have you been learning English?
I've been learning English for 2 years and I have been no, I have been learning English for this application. I think maybe for 1 year or 2 year maybe.
Okay, wonderful. And you like learning English?
Yeah, I like a lot. Basically, like in my initial point, I used to watch and listen a lot of English movies.
Mm.
So at that time, I thought that now the time has came, and like I wish that time that I could speak English very well. Yeah, so I used to watch a lot of English movies, and I started to listen some American cartoons, animation movies. Yeah, then I thought now I should join cambly to improve my English. Yeah, so I'm here right now.
Great. And do you use English in your work or in your daily life?
Yeah, actually, English is a big relate to my career.
Mm.
Yeah, because we have a small family business, so we are manufacturer of small handicraft products, the products which is made by hands. So we produce our products in India and sell our products in the USA, the UK, and the other countries. So yeah, I'll join my family business after my graduation. So that's why I'm learning English. Yeah, handmade products.
Yeah.
Yeah, that is why.
Okay, and did you graduate recently?
No, I didn't graduate yet. I'm doing my graduation right now. It's my first year.
Oh. Oh, wow, it's your first year. I see. Okay. Great. And what are you studying?
I'm doing BBA, it's Bachelor of Business Administration.
I see. Okay. Okay.
Yeah,
So perfect for your business, for your
yeah, I
small
think
family
so.
business.
Yeah.
And is your goal to stay with your family business after you
Yeah,
graduate?
yeah. Actually, my high term goal is to stay with my business, and I'll follow father. I'll follow my business footstep, father's footstep. So
Mhm.
I'll be fully prepared when I'll be fully prepared, according to my business. So I'll definitely work for my father.
Great. That's great. I like your shirt because it has Spanish on it, and I love
Oh,
Spanish.
oh.
Did you know
So
that numero uno?
no, I haven't heard about that.
Yes, it's
Yeah.
Spanish and
So,
English too, of course. Both.
so do you know Spanish? How to speak Spanish?
Yes, yes. I live right now in Barcelona, Spain, and I
Okay.
study Spanish here.
So, like, did you grow up in USA?
Yes, yes. I'm from the USA. I grew up in the USA. I only moved here 4 months ago.
4 months ago. Okay, that's good.
Yeah. I am from Indiana, and it's near Chicago.
That's great.
Yeah.
So you moved here. You moved in Spain for learning language.
Yes, yes. And to travel. I want to travel throughout Europe.
Oh, that's great. So, like, do you travel alone or do you travel with your family or something friends?
Not my family is in the United States, but my boyfriend lives here. So we travel
Mhm.
together, of course.
Mhm. That sounds great.
And I have some friends that I've made here, but before I got here, I only knew my boyfriend and that was it.
Oh,
Mhm.
that's good.
Yeah, have you traveled outside of your country?
Oh no, I haven't traveled yet, but I would like to travel a lot of countries. So, like some countries in my bucket list where I would like to go, like the USA. UK, Germany. So yeah,
Okay,
if I
yeah, you
had,
can
yeah,
practice your English, of course.
yeah, yeah, if I'll get chance, so I'll definitely go there.
And where in the US would you pick?
Actually, I heard a lot of names like Chicago and like Los Angeles.
Mhm.
Yeah,
New York?
so New York. I forgot some names
Mm,
right now, but in my memory, like I know a lot of cities' name. So
yeah.
yeah, I would like to go there.
Well, there's a lot of cities too. It's a very big country.
A lot of cities.
Yeah. Yeah.
So like, have you traveled out of America or like Spain?
Um, so far I've only been to Spain and France.
Oh.
But next weekend I will go to Switzerland.
Oh my God, Switzerland. Yeah, it's very, heaven. It's just a heaven.
Yeah. The nature scene is
Yeah, yeah.
beautiful. So I'm so excited. I will be in Geneva. Um, and they speak French there in Geneva. French.
That's good.
Yeah, I am very excited.
Yeah. So next month you will go. Okay, that's good.
Yeah. And what else did I want to ask? Why Germany? Why are you interested in Germany?
Actually, I would go to like Germany because of my business purpose.
Mm,
Because yeah, there are a lot of quantities we exports in Germany. So if I'll get chance to go there, so yeah, like I can get chance for travel and I can promote my business also. So that's why I choose Germany.
I see. I see.
Yeah.
And have you ever thought of starting your own business besides your family business?
Oh, actually, I never thought this because this type of business like becomes very huge.
Mm,
So yeah, if my business will run very good, so no need to start any other business,
right.
and we can earn a lot by working this in this
Yeah,
business.
definitely. And so you run it with you said your father started the business?
Yeah, yeah, my father started this business.
Do you have siblings that work for it as well?
Yeah, actually, I have a brother and a sister. So my brother is in 10th grade right now, and tomorrow is his exams.
Mm,
Yeah. So yeah, after his graduation, he'll also follow this business steps. So he'll also work with us. Yeah.
great. And so do you have exams coming up as well?
Not mine. My brother's
Just your brother.
exam.
Okay. Okay. Yeah. And what time is it where you are right now?
Yeah, it is 9:30. Uh,
9:30.
yeah, PM.
Okay. Okay. I see.
And now, like for yours, it's 10 maybe 10 or
In Barcelona it's 5.
5 at morning.
5 p.m.
Oh, 5 p.m. Okay,
5
okay.
p.m. Yes. In um my family where they live in the United States, it is 11 a.m.
11 a.m. Yeah, yeah.
Yeah.
I
Yeah.
get it.
So you were right. Chicago it is 10 a.m.
Yeah,
Yeah,
yeah.
but not here.
Yeah, that's good. So, there's not huge difference between Spain and India, the time of Spain and India.
Sorry?
Like, there is no like more difference between the time of Spain and India.
Yeah,
Yeah,
it's really not that much. It was
yeah,
four and a half hours.
yeah, just
That's it.
normal.
Yeah. It's difficult for me to call my family because sometimes they are sleeping or I am sleeping. But
Happens.
yeah. Is all of your family in your city or in different parts of India?
No, all family stay. in my city and a single home. So
Mhm.
we live together and in a single house. So yeah.
Mm. So you live together and you work together. Is that difficult sometimes?
Yeah, no, actually not. So my house is, my house is just normal, not too small, not too big. So there are 5 rooms in a house, and we all are 5 members.
Hmm.
So yeah, it is not difficult to stay together.
Okay.
Yeah, yeah. So it's
Yeah.
just good.
I worked with one sister one time and it went well, but I do not want to work with my mom.
Why?
She is stubborn, stubborn, very stubborn. So it would be difficult to um make business decisions together.
Oh, yeah,
And you have a dog, I think. I could hear your dog.
yeah. I have a dog actually. Mostly teacher like mostly teacher told me like, hey, you have a dog because some kids are roaming on the road, so my dog start barks. So that is
Yes,
why.
I understand. I don't have dogs in Barcelona, but my mom has two dogs. So whenever I try to have a Zoom or something, they are barking in the back too. So no problem.
Because I love dogs basically, so that's why
What
I
kind of
adopt.
dog do you have?
Yeah, I have a German Shepherd.
German Shepherd. Wow.
Yeah, yeah, it's a normal breed, and everyone loves German Shepherd.
Yeah.
So yeah, I grabbed this.
Yes, they are very popular in the United States too.
Yeah.
They're
And
good
India as
dogs.
well.
Yeah, they're
Yeah.
good dogs. My mom has Australian Shepherds.
Australian Shepherd.
Yeah, are you familiar with those? Are they popular?
Uh, like I haven't heard about the Australian what you said, but
Australian Shepherd, yeah.
the Australian Shepherd. I heard like some breeds like Pitbull and American Bully, German Shepherd, and Great
Mhm.
Dane. This type of breeds I knew.
I see. Okay, I'll show you a picture.
Yeah,
Um,
yeah.
not of my dog. I don't have a picture, but they come in different colors.
Oh, like
Some of them
it is husky, I think.
it's not a husky, but you're right. It kind of looks like a husky.
Oh,
Yeah. My dog, one of my dogs kind of looks like this.
oh, that's pretty nice.
Yeah. They're very friendly dogs, very good with children, and they like to play.
Yeah.
A lot of energy. Like German Shepherds. A lot of energy,
Yeah.
right? Yeah.
Okay.
Um, do you like cats?
No, I don't like cats. Because
Okay,
mostly
no problem.
Indians don't like cats. Yeah.
I like cats too. I like both cats and dogs. My mom has two cats at home too. Two
My mom
dogs,
has
two cats.
two cats, 2 dogs.
Yeah.
That's good.
Yeah. Yeah.
Yeah,
Are
like
cats
everyone.
sorry?
Yes. Yeah, I'm saying like everyone should be, the animal lover.
Yeah, I think so too.
Yeah.
They need us. They need us. There's so
Yeah, they
many
need.
animals.
Yeah, yeah. Like I have followed a lot of pages on Instagram.
Mm.
So yeah, and
Animal
sometimes
rescue pages? They rescue
yeah,
animals?
animal rescue pages. So like now I have opportunity whenever whenever I'll see any injured animal, so I have a number and I can contact to them and tell us what is the condition of animal, so they can rescue the animal.
Wow, wow, that's great.
Yeah.
Yeah, my mom, she one time she saw a bird outside. The bird had a broken wing. She rescued it and
Oh,
took it
okay.
inside and then called the emergency number to come get it. So my mom is such an animal lover.
Yeah, as same me.
Yeah.
That's very very pretty work.
Mhm. Yeah.
Yeah. Whenever
Okay,
I do this, yeah.
we are about out of time, but it was
Yeah,
really
yeah,
nice to meet you and talk with
yeah.
you.
Nice to meet you too. Bye.
Yeah. Thank you. Bye.
Thank you. Bye.